Let's remove background from image using AI. Open your browser. Search for website remove.bg. This website will remove background from your image for absolutely free. You just need to have a photo in your PC. You have to click on Upload button to upload image from your system, or download an image from wallpapercave.com. I will search my favorite superhero, Spider-Man. Now, I can download any image from here. Let's choose an image with bit complicated background, so that we could see actual potential of this website. Now go back to website. Click on Upload button to upload your image. Background from image has been removed. Click on Download to download this image. Here is your final product. Now you can use it anywhere in your project. You can also edit background of an image by clicking on Edit button on top right side of the image. Choose a background from here, but you cannot preview results here. You have to download it to see the result. You can try some more backgrounds too. Oops. That's almost the same background. But you get an idea how it's work. You can also blur the background. This is how you can easily remove background and change your background of your image. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.